This is Paola, an amazing cook and foodie who sometimes bites off a little more than she can chew.
This is Slade. He loves making a mess in the kitchen and never met a cookie he didn't like. We're here in Miami's Design District to play 20 questions. Are you ready? Let's go.
Cooking at home or going out to dinner?
I have been cooking so much during the pandemic. I mean, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So right now, I choose to go out, please.
I just got back from this foodie road trip, and it's been a month and like 15 pounds later. I'm actually ready to cook at home now as much as possible and just kind of tone it down a little bit. How do you drink your coffee?
So I do almond milk creamer, and it has sugar in it, so I can't say that I take cream and sugar. I just do coffee with creamer. But if I'm out, I will do like an iced latte with almond milk. Actually, no sugar. Yeah, I never really do sugar anymore.
Now I'll take my coffee. I've been doing cold brews lately. I'll do a cold brew with almond milk and a little bit of sugar, or I'll just do a regular drip coffee, almond milk, no sugar. Strawberry or grape jelly on a peanut butter sandwich?
Neither. What?
Wait a minute.
Oh my God. Strawberry or grape? Raspberry.
Raspberry?
Raspberry. You've never tried raspberry jelly on your PB&Js?
They make a raspberry jelly?
Of course they do.
Okay.
And I gotta go with the seeds. They're seedless, but I kind of like the little texture that the seed also makes me feel like I'm eating real raspberries. You know, it's like, oh, this isn't like processed. I mean, I know it's processed, but it's a little closer to the real thing if the seeds are in there. I don't know. It's a mental thing. But yeah, what? Raspberry jam, crunchy peanut butter. Listen, I'm all about texture. Like I need like something crispy in there, always. I'm a texture person.
I'm all about the grape jelly. I'm good with that. But actually, my favorite peanut butter, it's got to be crunchy peanut butter, and it's got to be toasted bread, and that's really all I want. It's just that. I don't even put jelly on it. And you can put cheese on it too.
Shut up.
Yeah, a little cheddar's not bad. All right, do you prefer cooking or baking?
I can tell you that people prefer to eat my desserts. So maybe I'm better at baking than I am at cooking? I don't know. I love baking. It helps to relieve stress, but I feel like I have a little more creative freedom when I'm cooking, if that makes any sense. Like baking is very precise. You have to really pay attention. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. When you're cooking, it's very easy to kind of just like free reign, add whatever you want. If you do mess something up, it's a lot easier to cover up than if you do with baking. You kind of have to throw everything away and start from scratch. So that can get a little frustrating. So I think I prefer cooking.
Most underrated veggie, in your opinion?
Underrated veggie. The red bell pepper is really something, because if you just eat it like an apple, you know, just bite into it. Obviously it's empty inside, but it's incredibly sweet. And to me, it's like, I like eating them raw. It's so funny.
Zucchini. I cook with zucchini all the time. Stir fries, you can do Asian, you can do Mediterranean. There's a lot you can do. I stuff zucchini, I make like little zucchini boats. They're super good for you. They're very diuretic, ladies. See a lot of people, you know, you have your asparagus, your Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower. I don't eat many of those. I mean, I do cook with them, but I love zucchini.
All right, what's on your pizza?
I like a margarita. I don't want to say plain Jane, but I like the classics for sure.
Ooh, my pizza is going to be 3 things: pepperoni, mushrooms, extra mushrooms, a little more mushrooms, and broccoli.
Broccoli?
It's the best.
What?
It's the best.
Okay.
Any foods or flavors that you definitely don't like?
I haven't had them in a while, but I recall not liking lima beans.
Oh.
Other than that, everything's game.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Rum raisin actually is my favorite since I was a kid. It's really weird. But I go to Kilwin's now and I'll get their toasted coconut. So it's like little coconut flakes that are coated in dark chocolate. And oh, it's amazing. Good stuff.
That sounds delicious.
Cookie dough. I love chocolate chip cookie dough. That's my go-to every time. I'm a creature of habit, and it's either vanilla and sprinkles or chocolate chip cookie dough. It literally brings me back to my childhood. I loved eating cookie dough, like raw cookie dough, whenever we were baking, and so having it in my ice cream was like dream come true.
If you could have dinner with a chef, what chef would it be?
Ina Garten.
We're back to Ina.
I know, we're back to Ina. I love her.
That's awesome.
She's just so freaking great. Like, she makes everything look so easy. She's so classy. She's so like easy breezy in the kitchen. I love that everything she uses is like, you have like those memes. It's like, if you don't have like the tears of the gods, like store-bought is fine, right? Like, she always uses like the best of like ingredients, like the freshest ingredients, the finest cuts of meat. I'm like, I don't want to cook like this lady.
I would love to sit and chew the fat with Chef John or Thomas Keller of the French Laundry. It'd be kind of fun because I caught his masterclass, and he has like 27 episodes, and 6 of them are devoted to eggs. So a lot of what I learned about eggs and refining eggs, I learned from him. I would love to just pick his brain on that stuff, I think. What's your current favorite restaurant?
I would have to say Q in Wynwood. That's been a favorite for a couple of years now. Definitely a go-to for special occasions. The food is delicious, the service is impeccable, and the drinks are delicious.
Bonus questions. What's your favorite hot sauce?
Hot sauce. I'm all in on Cholula green pepper.
Favorite stovetop burner?
It's left front.
Really?
Yeah, the left front. It's a slightly smaller one. Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting.
Great bonus questions.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, pal.